Are you considering a dental implant procedure but worried about the dental implant cost or what the dental implant experience will be like? This complete dental implant guide reveals everything about the dental implant procedure, from tooth extraction and implant to the final results. Whether you're researching dental implants before and after results, comparing dental implants versus dentures, or looking for the best tooth replacement options, this 3D dental animation shows exactly how a dental implant is done. A dental implant is the most advanced missing tooth replacement solution available in modern dentistry. Unlike partial dentures for front teeth or partial dentures for back teeth, a dental implant provides a permanent tooth screwed into jaw that functions like your natural tooth. The dental implant procedure begins with tooth extraction and implant placement by an experienced dentist who specializes in implants. Our 3D dental animation reveals step by step how is a dental implant done. First, the dentist prepares the jawbone. Then, the titanium implant post is surgically placed. After healing, an abutment connects the implant to the crown. This is what is a dental implant at its core, a complete tooth replacement system. When comparing dental implants versus veneers or dental implants versus dentures, implants offer superior stability and longevity. While you might see dental implants gone wrong videos, proper dental implant assistant training and qualified dentistry professionals ensure successful outcomes. The dental implants review from patients shows 95% success rates. Dental implant cost varies based on whether you need single tooth replacement or dental implants full set of teeth. A missing tooth replacement kit is temporary, but dental implants provide permanent solutions. Many patients choose dental implants for missing tooth replacement because they preserve jawbone health and prevent facial sagging that occurs with partial denture use. This dental implant procedure visualization from Dental Vision 3D animation helps you understand exactly what happens during your dental implant experience. Subscribe for more detailed dental and dentistry animations that make complex dental procedures easy to understand. Whether you're a DDS, RDH, dental implant assistant training student, or patient researching best tooth replacement options, our 3D animations provide the clarity you need.